Hello, I will be taking you to the SQL functions analytical question set which I have been faced difficulty or while performing those analysis. Uh, Firstly, I will be taking you to the data set which I have been received for performing the analysis. Here it goes to the data set. The data set comprises of two tables, drama group, the initial one, and the performance, the second one. Here, the table names along with the columns of two particular columns, drama group of and performance are being mentioned over here. We can get to know about these tables in detail. Firstly, we will get to know about some of the basic details or get to know the basic details of this data set. For that, we'll be going to the command line and we'll be running a basic query to know in detail about the data set. Yeah. Here it shows the performance date along with the plain name of the particular table performance is being mentioned over here. Here we get to know about that around 150 rows are being introduced, are being there in the second table. Meanwhile, we can get to know about the first table as well. I checked and get to know that around 40 rows were there in drama group table. Coming to the question which I have faced difficulty or while investigating in detail is the one with the fourth question, which asks for the maximum attendance per drama group and the overall maximum of attendance. Here it asks for to get the maximum attendance per separately for a drama group and to get overall maximum attendance. For that, the query has been written over here, and I will be going to the query in detail. Uh, those drama group ID along with the number of people attended, those columns have been called over here by the select command, and we have been using the maths function, whereas maths function is being used to get the attendance by each group. For that, the first one inner maths has been used. It calculates the maximum attendance per each group. For that, the inner maths is being used. Coming to the outer maths, that finds the highest value of the whole table, highest values of the whole table among all the members. It finds as a whole overall maths can be found with the outer maths. Also checking in this question detail, I get to know that there is no partition has been used as there as function is applied across the overall the data set in detail. So there is no partition in detail is not required for this data set. While we executing while going through the execution phase of this data's query, we can trial and check how the output goes. Currently, I have copied over the query and we'll be going through the command line for execution of this query. And we have executed and we get to know that the drama group ID along with the maths group maximum attendance and along with the overall maximum attendance has been mentioned over here. We can see that for a group ID of 1 we will be getting group maximum per individually 187. Coming to the overall maximum attendance, it would be 300. It is been showing on it has been shown on this output screen where we can get to know the values, how it affected individually and as a whole. It can be visible over here. This is a question which I felt bit difficult, or the execution part is difficult to bit understand. That's why I took a detailed note on this case and uh, get to understand that in detail about the functions which are which are acting in a whole, not in a single manner, which have been acting in a whole data set with by getting the values of data attendance for the drama group in general. We have been getting the values. Thank you.